Imagine a place where no one locks their doors. No locks, no keys, and no fear. Sounds like a fairy tale, right? But this is real. And it exists in India. Welcome to Shani Shingnapur, a small village in Maharashtra. Here, homes have no doors or locks, not even for their banks. Why? Because the villagers believe they are protected by Lord Shani, the god of justice. The heart of this belief lies in the village's ancient temple, dedicated to Lord Shani. It's said that centuries ago, a black stone idol of Shani appeared in a nearby river. Since then, the villagers have placed unwavering faith in his protection. Legend has it that anyone who dares to steal here faces immediate misfortune, whether it's illness, accidents, or worse. Even in today's world, this faith remains unshaken. When the first bank opened here in 2011, it followed the village tradition. No locks, just trust. This unique blend of ancient faith and modern life makes Shani Shingnapur one of a kind. In a world where fear often overshadows trust, this village teaches us a profound lesson that faith and community can create a society where people feel safe, even without locks and keys. Is Shani Shingnapur a miracle, a legend, or simply a story of extraordinary faith? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories from India.